competition manner. Anytime that a referee perceives a contestant to be staggering, so that means the impact of the kick makes them stagger, or it's a strong impact to the head, or there's a kick to the eye, or there's bleeding, or they're knocked down by that kick to the head, then the referee counts. If the score it's not scored by the PSS, meaning by the electronic system, then the referee uses his or her own card to check for video replay to see if this was a permitted technique to a scoring area to be able to proceed. Next, we're going to talk about prohibited acts and penalties. The objectives of having prohibited acts and penalties is to secure the contestant's safety, to ensure fair competition, and to encourage appropriate techniques. As a reminder, any prohibited act is a gum jump given to the contestant. This is declared by the center referee, and any gum jump given is 1 point for the opponent. Like I mentioned, when a contestant reaches 5 gum jumps in one round, then the opponent is the winner of that round. Not the match, just the round. Here we're going to take a look at each one of these prohibited acts in more detail. So starting out with crossing the boundary line. So here you can see that we have our competition area, which is the blue and the yellow, and then the red is the safety area. So when one foot completely crosses the boundary line and touches the mat, that's considered crossing the boundary line. Here's the example. So when one foot completely touches the mat outside of the boundary line, so outside of the yellow. When it touches the red, then that becomes crossing the boundary line.